Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your private browsing history on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So this only works if the web page is currently open. If it's not, if you've already closed out of your browser session, there's really no easy way to retrieve this information except from your internet service provider. So, I mean, of course, that's why it's called private browsing mode. But if the windows are still open, you can just select the history button up in the menu bar because it will save the history as long as you have an active session open. And then you would select show all history, or you can tap the command and Y key keyboard shortcut in order to open that up too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.